Alright, Karen?
Wala nang 1 euro ngayon.
Change in what he said. Other countries in Europe are big as well.
We just left
Bigger
home.
than this. Yeah, like below.
Let's go to Cologne. Cologne. We've been there already. May mga malalaki silang diffuser. There's the spire. Look at the flowers there. Perfumes. Yeah, I told you. You know you're gaming? You should love that. From 10 euro. Designer perfume. Designer perfume. Marc Jacobs. Who's that man there?